Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to edit your My Account page in WooCommerce. So first of all guys, I will show you how to add WooCommerce in your WordPress, which is pretty simple method. Just go to your plugins, add new and then search for WooCommerce. So as you can see now, go here, search for WooCommerce, click on enter and then just go here and pick the first plugin that will appear for you, which is WooCommerce. Click on install now and then activate it, which is pretty simple as you can see. Now, what you're gonna do is actually go to pages, and here you will find all of these pages. So what we're gonna talk about today, which is my account. So how we can actually change my account. So first of all, let's go to see our account page. So this is how my account page will look like. Dashboard, here the orders, downloads, if you have any download or something, address for billing address or shipping address. Here is your account detail, first name, etc. And here the log out button. So here is how you can log out of your account. So basically that's how you can see this page. So in case you wanted to edit it or make any changes to it, you can just click on here to edit, and what you're gonna do is basically you can just add a block here and add an image. For example, let's add for example this one, make it in the middle, and we can click on save or update. Just like so, we can go in preview a new tab. And just like so, as you can see here, I have edited this page. Of course, you can edit exactly from here by clicking on this button. So this will allow you to edit from here, or you can add or use some plugins like Elementor, which is a really good plugin in order for you to actually do whatever you want. Here you can actually drop this down, for example, to updates. So now the Pringles image will be at the top and this will be in the bottom. So you can add here like a background. You can remove this recent post from here, and you can make the page look so much better than this. So hey guys, this was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys a lot for watching.